All right. We're going to validate our CSS code. We've already learned how to validate our HTML code. Now we're going to learn to validate our CSS code. Okay. So what's the address of your CSS file? Where is it? Well, it's in this same folder that your index page should be. I called mine mystyle.css. Didn't I? Let's do this because that's not an HTML file. There we go. I need to turn off that browsing so people can't see it. There's my style.css. What's an easy way to get to that? Right click on your page and say view page source, or you can hit Control U. That'll bring up the source for your page, and notice your mystyle.css has a link to it. I can click that and it takes me right to my CSS page, and I can copy that link. Okay. Now, if you're doing that on the web server, it'll have the HTTP colon in front of it. And then we can go to the similar website to the HTML validator, and we can paste that in. Okay. But since this is not live on the web, actually, just let me do one that's live on the web. Boy, I'm scared to do MrGeiger.com because I imported this style from another website, and I'm not sure it's valid. But let's go see. Let's go see. Let me view page source. And there's a lot of stuff in here, but right here, that's font awesome. Here is the CSS. So I have several CSS styles applied here, but here's the main one for my website. So I can click on it, and you can see I did not generate this myself. This came from a tool that I will show you how to use later, much later. So I can copy this link. From my web page, I can go out to the CSS validator, paste it in, and tell it to check it. Now, there's 5 errors on this page. I knew there would be some because this wasn't hand typed by me. It was downloaded from somebody else, and I'm not even going to try and fix these errors right now. The other option you have, so let's go back. We'll stay on this page, is if you saved it on your computer, you can go to File, Upload, and choose File, and I'll do that for the CSS file that I have over here. Okay, I'm going to check this file and make sure we did that right. So in my web folder, there's my CSS sheet. I'm going to open it up. I'm going to hit check. And it says, congratulations, no errors found. Great, I did everything correctly. All right, let's make an error. I'm going to get rid of that semicolon. See what happens. Let me hit check again. Wait a minute. Did I save it? It's telling me no errors found. Didn't mean to do that. Do that. Good. Come back over here, choose file, my style, open, check. Ah, we found errors. Value color, GRE, is not a color value, right? Because it was supposed to be green and I changed it to GREE. So I can fix it again. And go back and hit check, and now it says no errors found. So you can upload your file, or you can do the link, either one. And like I said, the easy way to find your link is to view source from your web page, click it, and then copy the link from there. And if yours is live online, it'll have the HTTP : in front of it for the live web server. So make sure you validate your CSS. Your assignment is basically to go through your website, give it a background color, give some colors to your headings, in your font colors, in your body background color, and just use some of those tools. Your link colors, maybe if you did a link menu or something like that on your last website, just apply at least 4 or 5 of those styles that we saw to different spots of your web page. Try to pick colors using the color tool that you might like to make a decent theme. And that's it for this week. Have fun.